Wear your masks, guys. It's COVID. Alright, guys, so in case you did not know where I've been for the past, 3 days, I've just been being a sweat at bedwars, that's all. And I even got myself the new kit, which we're going to be checking out in today's video. And kit skin is pretty epic. This is the only kit where you can, change kit skins in the middle of the kit. You can look at this. Yeah, also Barbarian's free this week, so that's actually pretty epic. But then there's, this kit. I have it, but, it's kind of bad. It kind of sucks. Okay, the Ravens, they only do, 5 damage. So I'm not sure if it's worth making a video on, but sure, let's get into this video. So as you can see, I look pretty epic, and, yeah, for some apparent reason, they made it so you can't turn, off kit skin on Elder Tree, and I think I have a solution to that. I think they just wanted to see, when the Elder Tree kit was free, last week. Remember that? Sus, how couldn't I? But, I think they just wanted to show, or, see how many Elder Trees would be in a round, without, without seeing if they're growing, eating and stuff like that. I don't know what I'm saying, growing. Dude, you're stealing my spray. I have that one too. Spray! Yeah, I got the wind streak spray, pretty epic. But, all we really need to focus on is getting kills here, because if we get kills, it's like Reaper, but better almost. This is like Reaper, but it's epic. It's way more epic than Reaper. Okay, maybe I might have underestimated Reaper a little bit, because I totally haven't been using it to grind off these wins. Also, totally not spending Bobucks. No, we don't spend Bobucks here. We spend Bobucks. No, we're not spending Bobucks, we're spending a lot of Bobucks. If you know what I'm saying. You probably don't, because you're a nerd. Basically, how this kit works is you bill over to people, you kill them, and after you get 3 kills, or your rage bar fills up, you don't get Rage Blade, sadly, but you do get something pretty epic. You get, life steal ability. Or you could be, free Melody kit or something. Oh my gosh! If they ever make this kit free, they're basically making Melody free, but, a lot better. Melody sucks. This is just, for killing. This is basically just Melody, but, you kill people. Oh, and this guy's a better sword than me, so he's gonna win the fight. God. I'm also not that good at fighting on computer, so I don't expect, that I'm going to get a few kills here, but, Dude, he's getting the bed. Dude, let me get the kill, let me get the kill, let me get the kill! Dude, yes! Get over here. Did I get the kill? Yeah, I got the kill. Oh, he's getting gen. That sucks. Well, as you can see, part of my rage bar filled up, and if I get 2 more kills, the whole rage bar will fill up. I'm very good at grammar, obviously. The whole bar was filled up. Yeah, master grammar. Oh gosh. What's up? Get knocked off the map. I should get a baguette. That's the only way I'm gonna win this. Yeah. Did I just fall out of the sky? Yo. Oh gosh, I can get armor now. That's pretty epic. Baguette. I hate that they changed the price to 35 iron. And it's apparently limited time as well, so. Iron armor, dude. I look so dumb right now. I can't wait to turn into my devilish self once I get my 3 kills that I need. I wish you didn't have to get 3 kills, but do get knocked off the map. Get knocked up. He got knocked onto the brick. Get knocked off! Oh my gosh. Are you telling me that these guys did not get baguetted on? This is illegal. I think this is I think they crossed the line. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Hippity hoppity, this kid is now my property.
Alright, get over here, kid. Get over here. We know you want to. Dude. See you, bro. Yeah. Die. Yes. Let's go. I need 1 more kill. Dude, I swear if my teammate breaks the bed, I'm honestly going to be kind of mad because I worked for these kills. I worked for these. Oh, nice breadstick you got there, bro. You want to come fight me? You're going to, run back to base, but then I'm going to, go over here at the same time, and I'm going to knock you off, and yes! Yeah. Void. Who wants to be an angel when you can be a void? Hey. I might actually be able to kill you because I get lifesteal. I suck at this game. Dude, you got tier 2, nice. Well, I was kind of on the edge of a bridge, plus I don't have that good of a sword. And that's about to change here in a second. I don't know why I'm speaking with this accent, but it's good. My guy rolling up with a diamond sword, I think. Or, no, iron armor. I'm pretty sure it's a diamond sword. Let's see what this guy's got over here. Wait, if my teammate goes on gen, I'm gonna be like super mad. Yes, my gen. My gen. Yes, okay, now I can get iron armor, and now my, the tables have turned. Plus I get a life steal, so like me and my teammate versus that iron armor dude, I think they're kind of dead. Yo, leather armor man. Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, get over here, man. Get over here, my guy. You know who's gonna win this fight. You know who's gonna win this fight. You know who's gonna... Oh, I'm getting double teamed. I got baguetted on that platform. I just thought I was still fighting, so I just, like, you know, did the thing that most people would do. Wait, is this tier 3? How is that tier 2? It's going so fast. Well, I am going to buy myself an iron sword. I'm going to buy myself a bow, and I'm even going to buy myself some arrows as well, and we can actually get quite a few of them because it's epic generator. And we're also going to buy ourselves an axe, because axes are pretty epic. And now we're kind of geared out. And this lifesteal, it's actually not bad. Like, it gives you 3 health per hit, but like, do you realize how good that is? Like if you're in like moments where like you need to hit someone one more time, 3 health can save you. Plus, if you hit him a bunch of times, you can get like 20 health, which is like a 5th of the amount of health you get. Hey. Oh, you both are coming with your armor. I see. You wanna get bowed? Wee. Wanna get bowed? Yeah. Let me teach these kids a lesson. Teach these kids a lesson here. Ding. Give me my lifesteal, please. And the angel one heals your teammates, by the way. That's what the melody part is for. Yes, give me the lifesteal, please. I need to consume. Consume. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Give me my. Oh, I don't even need health, but that's fine. We're just gonna keep on killing these guys. Keep on killing them. Keep on killing them. Thank you. I got tricked into thinking that was a telepearl once when I tried using it because I have used this kit a few times before. Give me my health! My gosh! Okay, yeah. Like, okay, it's pretty hard to like use this kit on computer. I seriously need to get better on computer. My friend is really good, so maybe I can like record him playing on computer. Yes, my teammate got the bet, and then I'll like what I'll do is I'll do like a voiceover and I'll act like it's like let me go over to these emeralds, and then he just slowly turns around. I'm like, oh wait, never mind. I totally just thought of a better idea instead of going to emeralds. Oh nice, diamonds. I like how my teammate only destroyed 2 of the blocks on the bridge, thinking that would help. I'm not trying to roast my teammate or anything, but oh my gosh, are you serious? Oh, yes, I got it. What in the name of cowards am I looking at here? Also, yeah, there's a suffocating glitch, so I can, like, suffocate randomly, which is so cool. Ding. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? They can kill me through walls! What is this technology? Yeah, get over here. Give me my health, bro. Give me my health. We're fighting through a wall. It's the most intense battle ever. We're fighting through a wall. Oh, actually, like, jeez. Oh, wait, can I bow these guys through a wall? That would be, oh, I can't even buy arrows. Wait, I got, like, a master plan over here. GUI, pop up, please. It popped up. I can get the item shot. I swear if you knock me in. Oh, my gosh. Okay, well, that was, like, that would have been funny, though. It technically worked. So this kid is pretty OP, not gonna lie. I guess I'll buy some arrows right here. I'm so glad the GUI actually popped up, so I could buy some arrows. I don't really care for this map too much. I mean, it's a pretty good map, but I feel like I like the old, like, duels maps more. Hey. What's up? If I hit this, if I hit the shot. Oh, he puts a block there. That's so funny. I was about to hit that shot. What the heck? No, I don't want that. Whatever that is. Oh yeah, I installed some weird things on my computer. Kinda sus. Hey, come and get me. Come and get me. Oh, nice baguette you got there. Nice baguette you got there. Come fit me with your freaking breadstick. Get over here. Get over here. Do your 1 damage to me, okay? That's not gonna help you. Oh gosh. I'm getting double teamed! Teammate, help me! This doesn't work when you're getting double teamed, by the way. It's really helpful if, like, you have the same gears as someone. Like, let's just say someone gets the first hit. Like, and, you know, that would mean they win, obviously. The fight. And I like this lifesteal thing because it can give you a bunch of opportunities for yourself to win. Yes, I'm talking to you. Not you, I'm talking to you. Oh my God. So confusing. I don't know why people get so confused. Yes, tier 3, let's go. Now I can finally get, like, diamond armor and stuff like that. And you install. What the hell was that? Oh, I just swear. Oh gosh, I'm not family friendly now. Well, it's about time. Right, give me some emeralds. Dude, thank you. I don't know what the heck happened there, but, like, epic. Give me a sword. Actually, give me some arrows. That'd be pretty nice. Oh my gosh, you're so nice, shopkeeper. I like how just randomly the shopkeeper guy, like, he just, like, accepts all of our offers. He's like, can I have a few emeralds for this? And he doesn't even do anything with the emeralds. That's the funniest part. They're just, like, standing there. Like, we don't even care about them. Also, why is it that, like, there's just 2 shop people in our base randomly? Like this is, like, my igloo where I, like, sleep at night, isn't it? Yeah, it's kind of sus. But, let me get some more arrows while I'm at it. Slide Tesla coil traps. Yes, we obviously need to place these on the outside border of our base just to make sure that, no sweaty people come in and try and steal my, emeralds. Give me the final emerald, please! Please, one more emerald. Oh, yes! Yes. I don't know why it's called a Trini kit. I mean, like, I'm not sure if that's an actual thing, like a Trini. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's probably like Trine or something. Alright, time for you guys to suffer with my diamond armor. Also, the weird thing is, if I take off my armor, the void armor itself looks way more epic than any diamond armor, alright? Hey, nice baguette. Nice baguette, bro. Oh, I see you. I see you. Yeah, get off. Get off. Get off, dude. Get off, dude. I love people that just do that. I love people. Oh. You just fall off. Oh, I don't know how I hit that. I'm like a god today or something. I'm a god with my bow shots. Ha! What the heck? Wait, what? Get over here. Get over here. Oh, somehow I hit that. I don't know how I hit that. That's like... Dude. Wait. I almost got that. Dude, he's like trapping himself in his like little thingy. I'm just wasting all my arrows right now. I should have bought like blocks. Let me go do that. Oh, I just realized! My gosh, I just that, like, I was in first person and that looked, oh, we won. Well, that was so sad for me just now. Oh yeah, also, make sure to verify your account, guys. Verify your account on Twitter, obviously. But yeah, guys, that's a new kit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. For once, it's going to be less than 50, I don't know. Just 15 minutes long. Also, here's the like goal for this video. Don't let me down.